Hey guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Decor. Today I'm on location, always at someone else's house, doing some staging. I'm trying to get some ideas together for some curtains, but today... First I want to get into some real life talk. I'm always trying to be perfect on my videos, which is fine, but you don't get to see my Butterfinger days, when there's absolutely nothing wrong with the product. Here's a clip of something I did last week on a collaboration. I want to show you some real talk behind the scenes on Avery Home Decor. So go ahead, sit back and watch and enjoy.
Motion detected at the garage.
And look at that. Ooh, I thought I broke it. If you happen to miss this video and want to see how it turned out, click the link above. It's not focusing. I did break it that time. I mean, it's like, how many times can I get it on camera without breaking? Alright guys, this is made out of real glass. Alright guys, today's video is about catching up with you, letting you know what I've been doing, where I am on my process of my home and home staging. So updates on my home. I've got some clips I'm going to show you of our floor. I have been taking this opportunity that I have not been filming to do some home improvements, to put our home on the market. Two things have been happening. Looking for land for the last 2 years in Northwest Indiana has been extremely hard. People have been flooding in the area, especially more since people have started looking for homes further away from downtown Chicago. The taxes are cheaper in Indiana, and they've been moving in, especially since they've been working remote, and that's fine. But we have decided to do something a little different, possibly. I'm gonna let you try to figure out which one we did. I'm not gonna tell you right away because we are deciding on rather than buying a new build, just buying some land with an older house and gutting it and redoing it entirely. All right, so my house is okay. Everything always needs improvement. It doesn't matter what looks nice to me. Someone else might have different tastes, so trying to make things a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more basic instead of just my style has been a challenge. There's some things over the years that I actually forgot about. Like we had a stain in the carpet that it's a bleach stain. And we got this house back in 2014, and this happened fairly after we got the house. So I covered it up with the couch, and the couch has been covering it for so long. And I had this bright idea to go ahead and remove it with this stain remover, with this dye. Not a stain remover. I was going to remove this stain, this light patch in my carpet with some dye. And I did the right thing. I tested it. I tested it just one little section just to see how it would look, if it would tie in, and it did. And lo and behold, during the process of trying to complete the job, I actually did this with my carpet cleaner, and it was working out pretty fine, but the wheel broke and the dye just went in every direction. I'm going to show you some clips of what it looked like. So this is pretty much what not to do when you're trying to DIY everything. You don't have to. Just figure out another way to do it when it comes to something this drastic. I think this was a drastic measure I took. So here's what it looks like after I actually had the wheel break and dye went everywhere. So I tried my best to get everything out, just pull all that dye out. And it was working pretty well with I used baking soda and vinegar, and it got up the majority of it, but I just gave up because it just started to look so uneven, and decided, you know what, let's just replace this floor. So that's what I've been up to. I've been replacing the floor. I had to get up all the carpet, as you can see, cutting it up in strips, rolling it out, then getting up all of the padding. I rolled that up and got it out the house. We've got a cement floor, and we picked out this pretty, it's a weathered oak. It really goes with our cabinetry. Pretty much what we're going to be working on in this home is the window treatments. So I'm here to pick out some window treatments, help them out with their brand new dining area. They've got a brand new curio, the whole works. The table is huge, beautiful dark wood. This is one of the chairs. I mean, it makes a statement on its own. It's grand, it's beautiful. But all right, guys, I'm gonna show you more of this home later. That's what I'm doing as far as staging. That's what I'm doing with my home. I want to give some shout outs to some of the people. One in particular, Char F. If you have not checked out her channel, please go check her out. I'm gonna leave her link in the description box so that you can check her out. But she sent me something. I won something now. It's been a while since I won something. And see, that's what happens when you are really doing what you're supposed to do. When you support people. I look at people's videos from beginning to end because I just hope that people do that with me. And I stuck through the end. Her videos are live anyway. I love her videos. I mean, they're action-packed. And she was giving away giveaways at the end. And we just had to basically answer some questions, and I won one. So I was going to do that here, but I thought, why not wait? This is it, and do it in a separate video. So I'm taping now. I'm in the mood to tape, so I might take this right after I'm done with this video, or I might just tape it with a new whole day. I don't know, but I haven't opened it yet. But thanks for watching, guys. I can only promise to post as long as my schedule allows me. Of course, I will still be watching you guys' videos. Sometimes our journey changes directions. I always pray God will guide my path. At this point, it seems to be leading away from YouTube. I wish you all much success. Remember, put God first and the sky's the limit. Without Him, I would have never had the guts to pursue my doctorate degree.